Hey guys, wanna know how to access or use practice sections in Geeks4Geeks? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. So now first up, simply open up your favorite web browser and type in GeeksforGeeks.org and make sure you are logged in as well. And once you've done that, on top here you can see various options like Java, Python, data science that you can learn. And with that, there is also something known as practice problems. So right here, there should be practice problems, and if there is not, you can just simply click these arrows on the left and right here to find. Now, once you've found it, just simply click on it. And after that, there you go. Here you can see various problems right here, and you can also search for it like data structure, Java, etc. And once you found it, then you can either select solve right here, which will open another window and where you can solve it using IDE. You can also use filters, topics, etc. with difficulties as well. So I'll just demonstrate you right here. So simply select solve. This will redirect you to another window. And there you have it. Now on the side there is your IDE or your compiler right here. So this is your question and you can just solve it using IDE. And once you've done that, just simply select submit. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.